Hello and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. Today I'm going to talk about VidIQ, the software I'm using to determine keywords, searching trends, volume of the competitors, and so on. So, first thing, what we're going to explore today is how to register to VidIQ. It's really simple and easy to do. So, what you want to do, you want to press here, go to vidiq.com. I'm going to leave a link in the bottom. It's affiliate link. So if you sign in through my link, I'm going to get some affiliate. So it's really simple and easy. You just sign up for free. After you finish signing up, you can straight away add your payment, pay with link, pay now, autofill, and you can either pay $14.25 or limited offer, 25 off for 3 months. So it expires in 1 hour with my affiliate link. After you upgrade it, you can start your journey. Straight away, you can add your channel, connect your channel with Google. Let's do that. After that, you have logged in, connected your channel, you press home, and you can start optimizing your channel. So, for example, I want to discover keywords. Let's say I want to search for VidIQ. I type in, I see the search volume. It's very high. A lot of people are searching monthly. Competition 61, also high. Matching terms. If I press it, if you have bought it, you have more. But for this example, you have this one. Tutorial medium to low competition. How to use VidIQ low, and so on. So what I do when I doing research on VidIQ, okay, it says like search volume really high, competition high, but how to check it? So if you go to your YouTube, you type in VidIQ, let's press videos. As you can see, 5 days ago, 31,000 views, 18,000 views, and 162,000 views. So let's check if it's a good score or it's just from the subscribers. So let's check it out this video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press here, total views, as you can see, and views per hour over time. So now the video have with this keyword only 10 views per hour. So get the gist, he got the boost 11 views per hour in when he launched. So his probably subscribers from 800,000 subscribers, he got views. Some of them watched it, and now it's 3.8 views per hour. So what we can do more, we can press here also. As you can see, it's 2.2 million subscribers. If we
Taking advantage of.
if we press video again, and again here, views per hour over time, it gets 38 views per hour. So decent amount. Also from 2.5 million subscribers, he got a boost for the videos, as you can see, and total views still growing. So he published on 30, he got 50,000 views, and so on, and views still compiling. So that's how you know if it's trending or not trending, the keyword. So what we gonna talk about more. So let's go to the dashboard. It offers a lot of insights. So you can create thumbnail. You can make shorts from your videos automatically. So if you created like hour, 20 minutes video, and you can generate shorts from your videos. Also, what you can do, you can have AI coach. So if you connect your channel, you start asking questions, deep thinking. He research your channel and tell you what you need to improve in your videos. So let's go back to we go to discover daily ideas, and it give you some ideas. So you can even research your competitors. I marked few of my competitors to see what videos we are ranking on, how many daily views we have, and so on. As you can see, it says shows a lot of information about my competitors. You also can choose your competitors randomly, or you can browse search channel name or by searching the keywords and finding the channel. So I added my competitors. I see all the channels, what we are creating, and how to improve my videos. So as I told you, you can optimize even your videos, discover. So what you can do, you can create new ideas. So you go here, you press create. So answer your audience. Uh, if you have questions in your comment section under your videos, tips for more interactive Canva design, you can create a video for that. You can answer questions like can Canva replace CapCut? It's give you video ideas, what you can do it and what kind of content you can create, which is going to be not viral, but you can get some views. So basically what I'm using now, it's create. I go thumbnails, and as you can see, it creates some kind of good, some kind of not good thumbnails. I'm using my image for the purpose of the video. So as you can see, it can create like basic AI image, or it can create a little bit better ones. If you use ChatGPT, VidIQ, and Canva combined, you can create thumbnails like this. So basically, I use that template from VidIQ, which created me thumbnail, and implemented in Canva and added my image and added a few elements to look more appealing for myself and for the audience. As you can see, topic match, eye-catching elements, curiosity, text brevity, text clarity, resolution, and aspect ratio. Emotional triggers I didn't add, visual harmony, I disagree with that, but still. So you can even generate alternative titles. So for example, I'm using how to extend images without Photoshop Canva, and it gives me alternatives how to extend image using Canva easier than Photoshop. That sounds nice, intriguing. Let's try it. 97 score, looks good. So you optimized your video, and as you can see, video detail update successfully. So even thumbnail, I think, increased a little bit score. So thank you for watching. I hope you really learned something, and see you next time.